Hello, nkwaniriza akatebuto ku Learn Luganda, Iga Oluganda. Today, let's look at verbs. Verbs, both in English and Luganda. Now, briefly, when we were growing up in kindergarten and primary, we were told that a verb is a doing word. Okay? But right now, to make it a bit simpler for you, a verb is a word that expresses an action or a state of being. So verbs are used to convey actions. For example, run, eat, jump, etc. So briefly, a verb show what exactly the subject is doing or experiencing. Now, for example, I am jumping. Now, to jump, it is a verb. Okay, so this is what we're going to go through in this video. Let's jump straight into the video. My name is Kabugo Peter. Let's get started. Now, since we said verb, kye kigambo ekitegeeza ekintu ky'obeera okola. For example, you, a person who's watching this video, what you're doing as a verb is to watch, okulaba. You are watching this video. Oli mu kulaba katambi kano. Now, the verb is to watch. Or if you're not watching but you are listening, now that is the verb. Okay? So, byangu nnyo, it is easy to learn. Just watch this video. For example, okuseka, to laugh. Okuseka. Dancing, okuzina. Okay? Now, let's dive into the real action. To learn is okuyiga. Okuyiga. For example, I am learning Luganda. Njiga Luganda. I am learning Luganda. Njiga Luganda. To read. To read is okusoma. I like reading books. I like reading books. Njagala nnyo okusoma ebitabo. Njagala nnyo okusoma ebitabo. To write. Okuwandiika. Okuwandiika. Write your name. Wandiika erinnya lyo. Wandiika erinnya lyo. To think. To think. Okulowooza. I think about you. I think about you. Nkulowoozaako. Nkulowoozaako. To give. Okuwa. To give. Okuwa. Give me that pencil. Mpa ekkalaamu eyo. To wait. Okulinda. To wait. Okulinda. I am waiting for you. I am waiting for you. Nkulinze. Nkulinze. To send. To send is okusindika. I will send you a song. Nja kusindikira oluyimba. Nja kusindikira oluyimba. And so many other things you can send. But now to send is okusindika. To repeat. To repeat, okuddamu. Okuddamu. Can you repeat that song? Can you repeat that song? Osobola okuddamu oluyimba olwo? Or you can say, can you repeat that statement? Can you repeat that? You get? So repeat is okuddamu. To help. Okuyamba. To help. Okuyamba. Can you help me? Osobola okunnyamba. Can you help me? Osobola okunyamba. To try. Okugezaako. To try. Okugezaako. I am trying to help you. I am trying to help you. Ngezaako okuyamba. Ngezaako okuyamba. To show. Okulaga. To show. Okulaga. Show me the boy. Ndaga omulenzi. Show me the boy. Ndaga omulenzi. Remember, we are sponsored by Mirembe Curtains and Beddings, so you can reach them out and talk to them as far as interior designing is concerned. They are good in what they are doing and they are professional, so they can make your house to look beautiful. To dance. Okuzina. To dance. Okuzina. I am dancing. Nzina. I am dancing. Nzina. To jump. Okubuuka. To jump is okubuuka. I am jumping. I am jumping. Mbuuka. Mbuuka. To close. Okuggala. To close. Okuggala. Close that window. Galawo eddirisa eryo. Galawo eddirisa eryo. To open. Okuggula. To open. Okuggula. Open that door. Gulawo oluggi olwo. Gulawo oluggi olwo. To remember. Okujjukira. To remember. Okujjukira. I remember her. Mujjukira. I remember her. Mujjukira. To know. Okumanya. To know. Okumanya. I know you. Nkumanyi. I know you. Nkumanyi. To run. Okudduka. Okudduka. For example, I run faster than you. Nziruka okukusinga. To play. Okuzannya. For example, he likes playing. Ayagala nnyo okuzannya. To pray. Okusaba. To pray. Okusaba. I pray to God. Nsaba Katonda. I pray to God. Nsaba Katonda. To sing. Okuyimba. To sing. Okuyimba. I want to sing. Njagala kuyimba. I want to sing. Njagala kuyimba. Now, that is for today, and I've been looking for verbs oba ebikolwa. So, now I think you can compare and differentiate verbs from other stuff. So n'olw'ensonga eyo, laba video eno ogiddingane so that you can learn how to use these verbs and verbs ze ziriwa. Don't forget Mirembe Curtains and Beddings. They are good in what they are doing. They have bed covers, they have carpets, they have towels, etc. They do even installation with curtains, and they have good curtain rods. That is for today. My name is Kabgo Peter. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe. Ciao, ciao.